Yo, what is up everybody? It's me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Google Pay. So if you guys do not know Google Pay is a digital wallet. Basically, you can just link your, normal credit or your debit card to your Google account, and basically your Google Pay account is created. And through that, you guys can pay for different stuff online. Alright, so that's basically the job of Google Pay. And how you guys can log in into it, it's pretty simple. So basically what you need to do is you just need to search for Google Play login. After you search for it, now before moving forward from over here, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. After you do that, like by searching Google Play login, you want to click on this where it says sign in Google account. It's going to take you to pay.google.com. You need to see this where it says pay.google.com and click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the website where you guys can sign up for Google Pay. So basically Google Pay is like Google account, so don't get confused. I've already logged into my account, so as you guys can see, it shows my profile picture over here. But if you guys have not yet, it's going to ask you to log in into your Google account. So want to log in into the Google account where you guys have that Google Pay. All right, so just log in into your Google account like you normally do, and basically your Google Pay information is going to be displayed over here if you guys have linked a card. But since I have not yet linked my Google Pay card, it's not showing anything over here. It shows add a payment method even though I have already logged in. All right, so that's basically how you guys can log in into Google Pay. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future videos. See you guys in my future videos. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.